Okay, so I am going to make pink salad for you. And trust me, it is not for those that want to lose weight. So if this is somebody trying to lose weight, you need to move on because this is high in calories. So this is my childhood favorite dessert called pink salad. It is not healthy. It is not good for you, but it is becoming summer and it is gonna be Memorial Day tomorrow, so we are gonna start it off with a bang with pink salad. Now, my Long Island friends, Tony, I hope you see this. This is what she named it is pink crack. I think she liked it a little bit. So, I'm gonna make it for you. I will show you the ingredients. It doesn't matter what brands you get. You can get the cheap ones, you can get the name brands. It doesn't matter. It all tastes the same. Now, I didn't go shopping for this because I am home and I am the one that stays home. Jeremy does the shopping because I am immune compromised. So we are in COVID-19 and so yeah. So I'm gonna have to kind of do a little trial and error here. So bear with me. We're gonna start out with the cherry pie filling and go from there because I know that is the one thing that is the correct size. So the ingredients is the mini marshmallows, any brand, sweetened condensed milk, crushed pineapple, and cherry pie filling. Any brands will do, and whipped topping, aka Cool Whip. And usually I would have gotten a smaller can of this. So we're just gonna, try it with the mixing of this. I can just kind of go by eye and I will just tell you as we go. So let's just get into it. We're going to take the cherry pie filling, which is a 21-ounce can, which is the normal size you would use for this. And we're just going to pour it into our bowl. Use your spoon to rake it clean. I have a little helper over here overseeing me. I'll have to show you in a moment. She's a great overseer. Are you helping? Are you checking Mama out to make sure I don't do anything wrong? My little overseer. Okay, let me get you back. Okay, so now we have that in the bowl. I am going... There is like no way to do this. If I had a Jeremy in here holding it. Okay, I just stuck my finger in the... And it's the boobs. It's just boobs and bowl, okay. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the... What do they call it? Whipped topping, but it's aka Cool Whip. We're going to put that in here. I forgot to take this out of the freezer, so we just nuked it a little bit on 30 seconds to make it a little bit soft. Now, on the start, I'm not going to put the whole thing in there because usually we would have gotten a smaller container, I believe. So let me just see how that mixes up. Looks pretty good. About half a can of this. Set that on the napkin. Make sure Belle can't get it. That makes it have this like creamy, like really nice texture. Shh, Mommy's making a video. Okay, now we're gonna put the pineapples in. Uh-oh. I'm starting with about half a can. Okay, and then you put the marshmallows. You don't have to. No, Belle. Okay, so this is where it gets a little tricky to stir all this in. No, control yourself, Belle. Just say no. My baby loves her some marshmallows, huh? You love marshmallows. There's like 3 on the table. I'm gonna put 1 more spoon of these in there. And then I'm gonna give it a little taste. And I would probably put like half a can more cherries in it. If I had them. So this is what it looks like. It is pink, it's not white. If I had more cherries, I would add more cherries. But that's pink salad. And look, I have some of it on my mouth. It is the best, yummiest dessert ever. And if you try it, let me know how you like it. And I will leave the recipe in the description below. Remember to be your own beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe. Belly approved.